Hello kids, so take out your English course book, page number 42. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson name, Sniffles the crocodile and Punch the butterfly. So this story is all about two best friends, the Sniffles and the Punch.
Sniffle is the crocodile over here and Punch is the butterfly. Both are very good friends. But one day what happened when enemies came to hurt the Punch, the butterfly, how the crocodile, the Sniffle, go out of the way and show his bravery side to save his best friend from the enemies. So let's find out. In the swamp on the far side of the forest lives Sniffles, the crocodile. Swamp means the area which is covered with water where the plants and trees grow on their own. Okay. So Sniffles was always like shedding big crocodile tears or going sniff sniff. Means he is always like sobbing, crying over little things. Even his mom was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop sniveling and crying. Start behaving like a crocodile. Go hunt for your food." So in this way, his mom all the time scolded him for his crying and sniveling. Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. So mom and dad had to feed Sniffles every day. So here you can see that how Sniffles is very much scared from just the thought of eating another animal. He is not so brave in nature. He is not actually like crocodile. Crocodile actually love eating another animal. They hunt for other animals. But here we can see that Sniffles is just burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. He is not even eating, he is just by the thought of eating another animal, he just burst into tears. So he is not so brave in nature. He is a very kind-hearted crocodile. Sniffles didn't want to be a crocodile. "I am so ugly," he thought, bursting into tears. Sniffles didn't want to be a crocodile means at the thought of eating another animal, when he is crying like a baby, it means he is not accepting the fact that he is a crocodile. "I am so ugly." Ugly is the opposite word of beautiful. Okay. So he thought, bursting into tears, he did not even live like crocodiles did. His friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. Punch wanted to be big and strong. So Punch always had her feeler curled into a fist and saying, "Look out, I will punch you in the mouth." So here comes the entry of the second character of the story, that is the Punch, his best friend. So description is given over here. She is a yellow golden butterfly. Okay, so golden yellow is about the quality, describing about its quality. So Punch wanted to be big and strong. Like Sniffles, he is very big and strong, but he didn't feel like to be that. He did not like even to be live like crocodiles. And here Punch, who is just a small little butterfly, she wanted to be big and strong. So Punch always had her feeler that is the antenna over the head of the butterfly. Okay, she curled her feeler into a fist saying, "Look out, I will punch you in the mouth." So they made a very funny pair. Sniffles swimming with Punch perched on his head. Perched means sit or rested on his head. Okay, so the other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. Why other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of the Punch and Sniffles? Because he is a crocodile, and what he is doing, he had a friendship with butterfly. On that fact, they made joke of Sniffles.